The partial government shutdown means tax filing season got off to a late start. You have less than 6 weeks to file your return. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger looks at the most important things to know this time around. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's begin there. What's important to know this time around?
Well, some things have changed. We are all paying higher payroll taxes this year. You've probably felt that earlier in 2013. If you are wealthy, you got a new tax bracket. If you're single, you earn more than 400 grand, you're paying more. If you're married, it's 450. Also, wealthier people are going to pay more tax on their investment income, both capital gains and dividends. And there are some phase-outs of deductions that were in place. They got reinstated. Basically, if you make a lot of money, you're paying more in taxes for 2013.
What about changes to medical and dental expenses?
This is interesting. If you had a big medical expense or dental expense, it used to be that you had to have more than 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. That's the bottom right-hand corner in order to make that tax deductible. That threshold is now higher. It's 10%. That's a big number, by the way.
That's a lot of dental work.
It's a lot of dental work. But, you know, I have to say that medical expenses can pile up. If you are above the age of 65, it is still 7.5%, though.
And the common mistakes people make that lead to you being audited.
Well,
they say, I'm going to pick you.
Yeah, well, normally it is not reporting income. So a math error or not reporting income, huge audit flag. Other common mistakes that really everyone makes where, you know, oh, I forgot to sign my return or I forgot to date it, that's not going to lead to an audit. Other audit flags, when you are self-employed, you are an audit flag automatically. If you take piles of deductions, even if they're legitimate, you're an audit flag. What does that mean? Please keep track of all of your receipts. You've got to have proof. The only good news is that very few people get audited because with the government cutbacks, the IRS is pretty underfunded right now.
Best tools?
Go ahead.
The best tools to help you.
IRS has fantastic tools. IRS.gov, that's the website. You should use it. The other thing that's really important, if you make less than 58 grand, this is a big threshold, you get free software from the IRS. It's great software, actually. Also, there is a refund tracking tool called My Refund. It's better if you file electronically. Can I put this out there? I know there are technophobes. Fewer than 1% error rate when you e-file, 20% when you paper file. E-filing does work better.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you,
Jill.
Jill.
Thank you.